Hey everyone, here's this year's Heartland Fiero show. It was pretty short this year, but be sure to thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and enjoy the show.
Very nice car. Very nice. This guy's name was Larkin. He said he's owned it since 17, driven it 50,000 miles in the last 7 years. And it's a totally custom paint mix of a hodgepodge of different colors. And he said he wet sanded it, the outside of the body in one day, taped over the trim, and sprayed it in a day. So he said he got about 8 hours in it. Very nice Mira again. I'm not sure if it's the same one as last year. Yeah, it is. He had that speaker in there. Very cool custom interior. Very clean. This is GM Tuner's Sinister Performances car. Got the front mount battery. But he's got the turbo and the NA 3800 Camaro intake on it. Wow, it's an 87. Nice license plate. Ooh, wow. Sale, I guess. Well, he's getting some free advertising today. Cool cup holder thing there. Standoff. Very nice. This is a Brian Sandbergen car here. I guess he does swaps too. Very nice looking. Did you do anything else on it, Brian? Just a swap. Very nice. This is Brian Sandbergen's car. All custom machined, everything, intercooler, and it's turbocharged here. Very nice. That's a little too far.
Well, you got a buddy of mine.
Yeah.
It's about the midlife crisis, 1987, and I bought a Fiero.
How many miles?
40.
The body looks great.
And it's original paint and everything. The only thing that's not original is that little sticker on the back.
Years. Oh yeah. This is a 88 Fiero Formula yellow T-top. I think it is the rarest Fiero option that exists. Good shape too. Very nice car. The guy's name was Lee. Yeah. This guy's not even parked in the show parking lot. But they drove it here.
Well, that's all for the show this year. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll answer any questions in the comments.